I think this one is the white horse. The small one, it's pregnant. I think it's pregnant. So, ayan. Oh, yan mga kambing. You know, there is a lot of, watch that pa, it's a lot pa of animals here in this side. But I didn't make video na because my another cell phone is no more battery. Okay, also here ayan na yun, yung doon sa pinakadulo hanggang dito, yun umiikot hanggang sa labas siya. Okay, ayan na, pindot nila, pwede nang mag-ride. Oh, you say hello bote-bote. Hi. Sus, nagiging copyright ito kasi may sounds pala.